To add a food stamp card to the SamS Club app, start by downloading and installing the SamS Club app on your mobile device if you have not already done so. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in to your account. If you do not have a SamS Club account, you will need to create one. After signing in, navigate to the account section, usually found by tapping on your name or profile picture at the top of the screen. From there, look for the section related to payment methods or membership benefits. In this section, you should find an option to add a new payment method or to link your electronic benefits transfer or EBT card. Select this option and follow the prompts to enter your EBT card information. You will typically need to provide your card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code found on the back of the card. Once you have entered your EBT card information, review it carefully to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the addition of the card to your account. You may receive a verification message or email to confirm that your EBT card has been successfully linked to your SamS Club account. With your EBT card linked, you can now use it to purchase eligible items through the SamS Club app. When checking out, select your EBT card as the payment method and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Keep in mind that not all items are eligible for purchase with EBT, so be sure to review the eligibility of your items before completing your transaction. It is also important to note that you will need to have a valid SamS Club membership to use the app and to purchase items with your EBT card. If you do not have a membership, you can sign up for one through the app or on the SamS Club website. By following these steps, you can easily add your food stamp card to the SamS Club app and start shopping with ease. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of using your EBT card through the app, and to only purchase eligible items to avoid any issues with your transaction.